Hello and welcome to another Stage Designer tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to use the preload menu to load, save, import different preloads as a standalone file, as an extra file, and import it in different projects and use it in different settings. First, I would go to File Browser, I would import all the video files that I would need for this preload. I would then click on each file. I would maybe need some tags on each file. I would need maybe some effects, and I would adjust the audio of the file. I might need to do this for every of my file, and maybe for this project I need some extra tabs and folders, and I create those tabs. I will import the clips that I would want to have in this tab, for example. And I would do the same with other folders. Basically, I go around and prepare the preload that I am going to work with. I might need some filters for later. I would already adjust these filters. I would set up the tags. I would set up the length with different types of filters. I would disable them for now. And once I am done creating the preload that I need, I can just go ahead and click on preload and save preload as, and here I can type in the name of the preload that I want, and the software is going to save this preload as an extra file which I can then load into different projects if I need to. So I can go ahead and click on preload, clear preload. I can just delete all of these tags. I could delete all of these folders, basically open up a new show file. And now if I just click on load preload and select the preload that I just saved, click on open, the software is going to basically open exactly the preload how I saved it, with all the tags and folders and so on and so forth. So basically I don't need to save a whole show file, but I can just save a preload that I have and load that into a new show file. And this is how we can work with the preload menu. I hope you're enjoying using the software and hope to see you in another one.